Now that we have learned about the Android stack and how Android works, let us learn about how an Android app works and what is activity. So, activity is the screen representation of an app in Android. So, in Android, everything is UI or screen based, and the screen representation is referred to as an activity. It serves as the entry point for any user interaction. So we take our inputs from the screen in Android. So it helps us handle all the user interactions. And it has a very powerful and a simple UI based layout file, which is provided by Android Studio, which we can develop using a WYSIWYG editor. What is a WYSIWYG editor? A WYSIWYG editor stands for what you see is what you get. So it means when we are designing this app using this WYSIWYG editor, what we are seeing on the screen is actually what it will look like. So hence it makes it very easy to do it. Let's run through some applications and how they will look like. So what we have on the screen are some of the apps and some of the screens we will develop in the course. So we've started with some of the very simple ones, so which we will develop. And these are all examples of an activity. So there's a punching machine. So this has been built using a single screen. All these three have been built using a single screen, which means one activity has been used to build them. So the punching machine, the code counter, the Hollywood blockbuster, and during the course you will build all of these apps. Similarly, these are examples of some of the multiple screen apps that we will build, like a recharge app, which will take all the inputs from the user and do a recharge, a sports news, a tourist guide. These are examples of multi-screen apps. And what would a multi-screen app have? It would have multiple activities. So an app can have many screens or multiple screens and many activities or multiple activities corresponding to each of those screens.